Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows Update error in a quick and easy way. As you can see, here is the error code 422, and this error usually happens when the Windows Update service is disabled, which prevents your computer from downloading or installing the updates. Don't worry, the fix is simple, easy and quick. So let's get started. Simply press the Window plus R key together and this will open the run slide. Then after this you have to type this simple command services.msc. Then click on the OK tab and this will open the service slide. Then after this you have to scroll down and you have to look out for the Windows Update tab service. Here is it. Now as you can see, the startup type is the Windows Update is manual. So now first we need to simply right click on this Window Update service tab, then click on the properties tab, and in the startup type simply click on the drop down arrow, then select the automatic, then click on the apply tab, then click on the OK tab. Now step number 2, now scroll up and you have to look out for the background intelligence transfer settings. As you can see, here is the background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on this tab, then click on the properties tab. Now here startup type is manual. Simply click on the drop down arrow, then select the automatic. Now then click on the start tab. Now click on the apply tab, then click on the OK tab. Now simply close this slide. Then after this you have to simply restart your PC and look. Once your PC restart, try checking your Windows Update again. In most cases, the error should be now fixed. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe and more Windows tips and fixes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.